Welcome to another Your Tech Report video. Today, let's unbox and go hands-on with the Beats x Kim Beats Studio Pro Kim Kardashian edition. So this is a new collaboration between Beats and Kim Kardashian for the Beats Studio Pro over-ear headphones. They're inspired by Kim Kardashian's signature palette, which includes Moon, Dune, and Earth, otherwise known as light, medium, and deep. But other than the packaging and the color palette, these are Beats Studio Pro headphones. So let's see what's in the box. So right off the bat, the actual color of the case matches the color of the headphones that you choose, depending on which headphones you chose. Let's pop them open here. Headphones themselves. They are just Beats Studio Pros in that new signature color. I love these headphones, I'm not gonna lie. They're comfortable because they're over-the-ear design, but they're not entirely over-the-ear. Some over-the-ear designed headphones have a lot bigger cups, so when you put them on your head, these do cover smaller ears, but I think people with larger ears may find this a little bit more uncomfortable or fit more like on-ear headphones. I'm not gonna lie, Beats headphones tend to be a little bit bassier than some people like. However, I like the rounded out design, and I go into my music app and customize the EQ to fit my liking, so I can make these and tune these to sound really however I want. And because of the great features included, including that instant pairing with iOS devices, of course that transparency and sound control that you get thanks to the high-end processing on board, these are really, really good headphones, and they actually rival feature sets Apple's, AirPods Pro Max. They're a lightweight, foldable design, so easy to pocket and throw into a bag. They of course come with the case included, which allows you to just easily get them in there and going. Inside the case itself, you'll find a USB-C charging cable that is color matched as well. You'll also find a mini plug to mini plug adapter as well if you want to use them wired. If you plug in USB-C, you'll actually get lossless digital audio, which is a very cool feature of these headphones. They're made of mostly plastic with some metal refinements across the board, nothing unusual from the Beats line of headphones. And of course, on board, the software features include active noise cancellation thanks to microphones on board. You got personalized spatial audio, which includes head tracking as well. And the battery life is tested to 31 hours and 25 minutes with fast charging, which is going to give you 4 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge. So if you forget to charge them, just plug them in for 10 minutes before you leave the house, and you'll get 4 hours of battery life, which is very cool. Of course, they connect via Bluetooth, or you've got the included 3.5mm cable if you want to plug that into a headphone jack. If you use the USB-C cable that's included, you've got a USB-C DAC, a digital audio converter, which gives you high fidelity sound when listening with the USB-C cable. Now, I love these headphones. I love the original design. I love this version because you got the cool color matching, but I really love the comfort on long trips. It does squeeze your head a little bit, so some people do complain of a little bit of discomfort over the ears, but I find that's almost like a wearing it in type thing, where when you do wear them after a couple hours, they do start to give a little bit and actually be more comfortable and start to be more comfortable on your head. So give them a little bit of time. Don't just dismiss them right away because you think there's a little bit of pressure on your ears. Sound quality is obviously great. Beats are designed with a little bit more bass than other people would like, but you can balance that out with the EQ. That is good. But you can balance that out with the EQ settings on your phone to give you a personalized feel and sound profile that matches exactly what you want to be listening to. Of course, you can answer calls, you can have conversations two-way with people thanks to the microphones that are on board, and because of that active noise cancellation, even if you're in a noisy environment, not only can you hear the person on the other end, but it focuses in on your voice so they can hear you better. Now, some people are saying that this is designed for people with smaller heads and ears. I don't got a small head. I do have smaller ears, and I do find it comfortable, but I don't find it bothersome on my head whatsoever. I wore the original version of these headphones for a 4.5-hour trip this past weekend and had no issue whatsoever. They were comfortable, the noise cancellation was good. I love the fact that I can just pop an ear off if I want to hear what's going on in the environment, or turn on the transparency mode, and of course the sound quality is second to none. I have used the digital audio converter, and when you listen to lossless audio, there's an instant difference between Bluetooth streaming versus the headphone jack or listening to things over USB-C. So these are the Beats Studio Pro Kim Kardashian edition, available available in 3 colors. As I said, you can find it on Amazon.com/BeatsXKim. Of course, you can go to the Apple Store, apple.com/BeatsXKim. And of course, you can find them in select Apple stores if you're interested. Definitely a great contender if you're looking for a nice set of high-end headphones that definitely deliver high-quality sound and performance with long battery life. So for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.